I'm doing something different, they can't do what I do. Flying through the air, how could they walk in my shoes? I could flex them both.
Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marjorie. Today I'm back with another hair review. This time I've worked with Mhot. They have sent me their clip-ins, and in this video I'm going to install the hair, so please keep watching. I'm going to put all the hair details down in my description box, so please take a look. And now I would say let's just start with this video. So when I first received the hair, I received it in a small package. My clip-ins, they came by DHL, and I opened my package. I saw this cute box, this cute little orange box, and I just love the color and I just love the way it looks because it's so small. I can use it for other things, so when I saw it I was like, wow, it's so nice. And I love this small detail in here. They did a pretty good job with their packaging. And when I opened up the box, I saw this little box here. In this little box there were my clip-ins, but I already took them out, so that's why I'm not going to show you the inside of the box. But I just love the color of the box and how small it looked. Yeah, so inside there were my clip-ins, and this was there as well. I don't know what's the word of it in English, but in German we say Haargummi, so it was inside and I was so happy about it as well. In the box there was this little tester as well. It's like a small piece of hair. You can use it, like if you receive your package, you can open it up, and if the color doesn't fit then you can easily return it. But you're not allowed to take off this tag, because if you take off this tag then you can't return it. So if you order it, then make sure to keep the tag if you know that you're going to send it back. I like the idea behind of it that you can return the hair. That's pretty cool. And now I'm going to show you the clip-in. I took the Yaki hair. It fits more to my hair texture, that's why I took this one. I took it in 80-inch, and I think this is 100 gram, but I'm not sure. As I said, I'm going to put everything down in my description. When I first saw the clip-ins, I was a little bit shocked because I thought maybe it would be not enough for my head because of, like, my hair is so thin. That's why I was a little bit afraid. And what I did, how I prepared, like, I just took the hair out, so I did nothing to the hair. My hair, normally it's not relaxed, but I just relaxed my hair because I thought for this hairstyle it would be better to relax it, but you don't have to relax it. I just did it because I'm way too lazy, but you don't have to do it. You can just straighten your hair and this would be enough as well. But I just did this, so to all my natural girls, I'm so sorry, but I had to do it. And I think I'm going with a middle part. As I said, I never did this before, so it's my first ever time to try out these clip-ins, and I'm very excited. And I think it's even my hair color. I'm not sure, but I think it's my hair color, so I did a pretty good job. I took 1B.
so high, so high, yeah. Tell me what you want, babe, and you'll get it. Look at what you got, man. Don't forget it, 'cause I can give you what you need. I'll be your fantasy, I got you. Tell me what you want, babe, then come get it. Tell me what you want, babe. Look at what you got, man. Tell me what you want, babe. Look at what you got. I feel that connection when you touch my body. I know you want something, and I can't ignore it. Nothing's on me if I wanna go to the beach, but it will be better if you come things are better when you're around. Late in the sun, you on my side. That's what I need. That's what I need. Things are better when you're around. Late in the sun, you on my side. That's what I need. That's what I need. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this. Tell me what you want, babe, and you'll get it. Look at what you got, man. Don't forget it, 'cause I can give you what you need. I'll be your fantasy, I got you. Tell me what you want, babe, then come get it. Tell me what you want, babe. Look at what you got, man. Tell me what you want, babe. Look at what you got, man. Feel you so close, need you close. Your eyes, it's you and I. Much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this. Tell me what you want, babe, and you'll get it. Look at what you got, man. Don't forget it, 'cause I can give you what you need. I'll be your fantasy, I got you. Tell me what you want, babe, then come get it. Tell me what you want, babe. Look at what you got, man. Tell me what you want, babe. Look at what you got, man. Feel you so close, need you close. Your eyes, it's you and I. Let the time doesn't mind, we don't care about the others. Let's stay dancing all night, 'cause tonight I'm a lover. Ooh, baby, I love it, and I can't ignore it. I like and you can notice my body gets carried away. I don't wanna miss it. You know that if you are for me, alright, and I don't wanna leave. So it's on, baby, what should we do? That's right, yeah, we have feelings high, so high, so high, so high, yeah. Tell me what you want, babe, and you'll get it. Look at what you got, man. Don't forget it, 'cause I can give you what you need. I'll be your fantasy, I got you. Tell me what you want, babe, then come get it. Tell me what you want, babe. Look at what you got, man. Tell me what you want, babe.
So this is the final result of my hair, and I'm really loving this hair. My sister, she added some curls to my hair, and I think that it looks really nice, and it looks super natural. As you can see, just look at my hairline, just look how nicely she blended the hair with the clip-ins. I'm encouraging all of you to buy some clip-ins because it's so easy to use. I think it's a good option, especially if you want to go on vacation or like a short trip where there's a lot of sun. This is the perfect hairstyle that you can rock as a black girl, to me. And I'm loving the texture as well. As I already said, like, it suits my natural hair, so I'm really loving it. If you have any questions about my clip-ins, feel free to ask. You can comment down below. I'll just reply to y'all, or the company will reply to y'all. You will just see, but you will get your answers. I will show you the inside of the hair so you can take another look, like how it actually looks. Like, she really did her thing. She really did a very good job. I'll show you how many different hairstyles you can do with this hair. So you can wear it like this, because today I wore it like this. You can actually wear it like this as well, and you can even do like a little ponytail. I'm going to show you because I left some hair out in the back, so it looks quite natural. I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. Look. This is how the hair looks, and I absolutely love it. So nice. So nice.